Hi everyone. Today we have with us the latest smartphone from Micromax back U, that is U Unique. This is the name of the smartphone that they have just launched today. The device is basically entry level 4G LTE model, and it will be available exclusively at Snapdeal starting 15th of September for a price of approximately 5,000 rupees, that is 4,999 rupees. So today we will be unboxing this video and check out what's inside, and also we'll have a look at the hardware specification of the device and a bit of initial hands-on. Let's check it out. So we'll just sorry, tear the box out. We just remove the wrapper, and here is the seal that you can just pull it out. So before we open the box, let's have a look at the back cover. At the back cover, as you can see at the top, you have the hardware specification of the device printed. We'll just go through it in brief. Basically, it tells you that it is powered by Snapdragon 410 processor, which clocks at 1.2 gigahertz quad core. The screen is 4.7-inch IPS HD screen. It comes with 8 GB of internal memory, and it is powered by 1 GB of RAM. In terms of camera, it comes with 8 megapixel main rear camera and 2 megapixel front camera. The operating system is Android Lollipop 5.1. Right. The battery is 2000 mAh. It supports the 3G, 4G LTE. It supports the band Indian bands, which 4G LTE bands, which usually are prevalent in India, or some of the bands which are coming in near future. Apart from that, it comes with sensors such as proximity sensor, light sensor, and acceleration sensor. So just we'll open the box and see what's inside it. So here it is, the box. We just open it, and this is the box, right? This is your smartphone, the U Unique device, actual smartphone, which basically is the entry level 4G LTE device from U, right? The wrapper on the screen basically tells you the basic major hardware features, right? And we'll just check it out. Let's see what else we have in the box. As you can see, this is the micro USB cable, which can be used for charging and the data transfer. This is your adapter, power adapter, right? Apart from that, you have this one is the earphone. Basically, we did not expect a earphone in this 5,000 rupees device, and it's great that Micromax has put this earphone with a entry level smartphone device, which costs just around 5,000 rupees. Usually these days many brands have stopped providing these earphones in entry level smartphones, right? So this is a welcome addition from Micromax. So let's check out if we have something else also. Here it is something, maybe the manuals kind of thing. Here you have SAR information, the warranty card of the device, which basically tells you all the details about warranty. Apart from that, you have a free screen guard, it seems. This is the free screen guard, and that's it. So in terms of the content of the box, here you have the manuals and the screen guard, your smartphone, and you have these earphones and the adapter and the charging cable, right? So these are the basic components of the out of the box, right? We will just power on the device and see what the device actually is. So this is basically the power button, and these are the volume rockers, if I'm not mistaken. The device started by pressing this button, so this is the power button, the middle one, and these are the volume rockers, right? We'll just put the wrap of the device off. Here you can see the device is booting. Till the device boot, let's have a look at the back portion. Here you can see your 8 megapixel, this is your 8 megapixel back camera with flash, LED flash. Apart from that, you have this 3.5 mm audio jack. This is your front 2 megapixel camera, and you have this at the bottom, the micro USB port or the charging port, right? So we'll just set up the device, English, United States or United Kingdom, right? Insert SIM card, we'll just skip that. Select Wi-Fi network, we'll also skip that. We'll just skip everything so that we can power on, get to the home screen as fast as we can, right? So as you can see, this is the home screen of your unique smartphone. Let's have a look at the settings to check out the operating system and the storage and any other hardware information that it gives. As you can see, in about phone you have the model number is U4711, processor Qualcomm MSM 8916, that is Snapdragon 410. Android version is the latest one, that is 5.1.1. Apart from that, let's have a look if we can get more information regarding hardware. We cannot. Sorry. Now let's check out the storage. Here you can see the storage available is 4.08 GB. I'll just zoom it out for you. So out of 8 GB storage, you have only 4 GB available out of the box for the consumer. You can mount a SD card, or even you can mount a USB storage, it seems. So it seems that it also supports some USB OTG on the go, so it's a great option for expanding the storage of the device. Usually it's not present in lower end devices, so it's a good add-on from you. No, you can see here that it comes with a adaptive brightness option, which means that it comes with a light sensor, right? Ambient light sensor. And this is more or less stock Android kind of operating system. It's not the Cyanogen OS, which is usually the case with some of the U branded devices. As we can see in about phone, the Android is 5.1.1 and nothing else is there apart from the device, apart from no signs of Cyanogen mod basically. So this is basically the stock Android 5.1.1, right? It comes with the usual application that comes with stock Android. Let's have accept this Universe application, right? The device appears quite smooth. In fact, for a price of 5,000 rupees, in the initial few moments it appears quite smooth, right? So we'll be checking out this device in much more detail later on when we review this device more. So at the moment it appears great, and hopefully it will be value for money for most of the users that spent 5,000 rupees, and we'll check that out later on, and we'll tell you more about it in our review, which will be live pretty soon. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the link below. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Thank you.